Did you know that the Chrysler Pacifica has an option to self-park? Well, I'm Jason Speed, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Click on the P with the steering wheel button, turn it on. The default setting is going to look for a parallel parking spot. You can hit the OK button on your steering wheel to change that to a perpendicular spot. And if you have to look for a spot on the left or right, just use your turn signal. Once it finds a space, the car is going to tell you what to do. Stop and remove hands from the steering wheel. Shift to reverse. Stop. Shift to drive. Now this is a very tight parking spot, but you can see the Pacifica has centered it in the parking spot. Truth be told, I can park a lot faster, but it never hurts to have a helping hand. Follow me for more.